This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the machine accepts coins and noting the exact price displayed. Once done, make sure the drum is empty, the door latches, and detergent is in the proper dispenser. Now insert coins into the slot steadily. If the machine shows partial credit, keep adding until full. You do this because coin sensors read exact amounts and the cycle won't start until the digital meter reaches the required total. This first step prevents failed starts and wasted time. Once coin credit is full, you select the wash cycle and adjust temperature and soil level to match fabric and soil. Make sure to choose cold or warm to avoid shrinking. Heavier loads need a heavy cycle for proper agitation. Press any extra options like pre-wash or extra rinse before starting because most commercial machines lock options at start. After confirming the display shows the correct credit and cycle, press the start button firmly to begin. The machine will lock the door and begin filling. When the cycle finishes, you will hear the end chime and the door will unlock. Remove clothes promptly to prevent odor and wrinkles. Make sure to check pockets and run an extra spin if garments are still wet. If the machine fails to start or stalls, first verify the coin credit on the display, then check the door latch and receipt coins if needed. If problems persist, try a power reset if available or alert attendant. This resolves most coin sensor or electronic faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.